Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this episode we are going to troubleshoot how to fix the garbage disposal in the kitchen area, and let's see what's going on. Right here we have the switch for the garbage disposal. So I don't hear anything, that's why I'm trying to troubleshoot. We have this garbage disposal over here, and first of all we're going to check the reset button in the bottom, and so right here this is the reset button. Sometimes you just have to press it and it's gonna reset the whole garbage disposal, and sometimes if it's not turning on at all, and sometimes we can fix it by doing this. Let's try it and see, maybe it was just the reset, hopefully. Perfect. So right now the garbage disposal is on, it's working. So the problem over here, it was just the reset button and the garbage disposal. Thanks for watching everyone. If you guys are interested in this kind of videos, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.